Hey all, this is my Chapter 4 video on how to write net ionic reactions. Okay, the problem states, write the net ionic reaction for the following double replacement reaction. Aqueous barium chloride is added to a potassium chromate solution. So the first step in solving this problem is that we need to write out the balanced chemical reaction. The problem above tells us that barium chloride reacts with potassium chromate, and they're both aqueous. Okay? In a double replacement reaction, two ionic compounds react and can produce a precipitate or a solid. So in step 2, it's important to determine which product is the precipitate. We need to find this out because solids, liquids, and gases cannot be broken down when determining the net ionic reaction. So after balancing the chemical reaction, you can determine which of the products is insoluble. If you look at the solubility rules, you'll notice that chlorine is soluble with potassium, but chromate is not soluble with barium. Therefore, the barium chromate is the solid or the precipitate. Okay? In step 3, you write the complete ionic equation. So what you do for this is you have to pull out each individual element's charge. Barium has a charge of 2 plus, chlorine has a charge of negative, potassium has a charge of +1, and so forth. In step 4, you remove the spectator ions. Spectator ions are the ions on both the reactant and the product side that are the same. So in this case, if you look at the complete ionic equation, you learn that 2 chlorine negative and 2K plus are the spectator ions. After removing the spectator ions, you can write the net ionic reaction. So after removing the spectator ions, you're left with barium 2 plus aqueous plus chromate 2 minus barium chromate solid.